Welcome back to the channel. Today we are tackling a question we often get. How do you withdraw money from the Cryptoguru app? Let's clear up any confusion right now. The first step, of course, is to launch the Cryptoguru app on your device. You will notice a balance displayed on the main screen. It might look like real money, but here's an important clarification. The balance you see is completely virtual. Cryptoguru is a trading simulator designed to help you practice crypto trading without any financial risk. The funds are part of a simulation. Think of it like a game for learning how to trading works. Since the funds are virtual, there's no real money to withdraw. Cryptoguru is purely for practice and learning. If someone tells you that you can withdraw real money from the app, be cautious. That's likely a scam. Cryptoguru's virtual funds are strictly for educational purpose and cannot be exchanged for real cash. Cryptoguru is a safe platform for sharpen your trading skill without risking your money, especially if you are new to crypto. So dive in, practice and learn. Thanks for watching.